How to eat healthy food every day? It's quite easy to eat healthy food every day when your goals are very clear. When you know that you have to work on yourself, you have to stay healthy, you have to stay fit, you have to stay slim, then you will automatically eat healthy most of the time. You can eat 80% healthy and just 20% just like what you want, your junk food, your chips, whatever you want to eat in just 20%. But most of the time, 80% your meals should be healthy if you're really interested in yourself and in your health. And this will happen when your goal setting is very clear. And then you will not think like, okay, कोई बात नहीं, आज bread सही, आज biscuit सही, आज पूरी सही, आज burger सही. Then you will not think like that. You will not replace your meals with pizza all the time. कभी कभी everything is okay. कभी कभी your bhatura is okay, your puri is okay. Everything is perfect कभी कभी, but not all the time. So yes, first do your goal setting in your mind. I'm interested in my health and I will only eat healthy. Second, eat meals at the same time. Why it is important? See, your body works like a rhythm. Your body will automatically adapt to your meal timings, and then you will only feel hungry at your meal time because your body knows this is your lunch time, this is your breakfast time, this is your dinner time, and body knows that this is your time to eat food. So in between you will feel less hungry, you will crave less wrong foods. जब आप मील्स को मिस करते हैं, आप देखेंगे आपको उस समय जंक फूड खाने का ज़्यादा मन करता है. उस समय मन करता है चलो आज गलत खा लेते हैं, चलो आज चिप्स खा लेते हैं, आज तला हुआ खा लेते हैं, या फिर देखो आपको स्वीट्स खाने का मन करेगा. देन यू विल हैव मोर ऑफ क्रेविंग्स व्हेन यू स्किप योर मील्स. बट व्हेन यू ईट प्रॉपर्ली एंड ईट एट योर टाइमिंग्स, then you will not crave other foods. So it's important to make a proper schedule. This is my morning time. Like in my case, I eat my breakfast about 8 to 8:30, then lunch time about 12 to 1, then dinner time about 5 to 6:30 max. This is my dinner time. So my body also has already adapted to this kind of routine. So in between, when you feel hungry, you know that you ate your meal properly, then you will be okay with a little bit of your junk, your chips or whatever you want to munch in between. You will be okay with a small amount. So this is very important to eat meals at the same time. Third, plan your meals, because most of the time we don't plan our meals. हमें ये नहीं clear होता कि हम क्या खाएंगे. खा लेंगे कुछ भी, हम सोचते नहीं हैं पहले. हम और चीज़ों के ऊपर प्लानिंग करेंगे, लेकिन फूड के ऊपर प्लानिंग नहीं करते हैं कि हम लंच में क्या खाएंगे, हम डिनर में क्या खाएंगे. सो पहले से प्लानिंग करनी इंपॉर्टेंट है. जब आप बिज़ी हो जाते हो काम में, सो लाइक इन माई केस, व्हेन आई नो what I need to prepare in advance, I need to plan in advance. Okay, this is my going to be lunch. It's just in mind, yeah. This is going to be my lunch and this is going to be my dinner. So I know in advance. So planning is very important. When you're stepping out, you know, okay, you will feel hungry. You know that you will be eating something. अगर healthy है तो healthy खाओगे, नहीं है तो फिर then you will end up eating the wrong food. So just plan properly. And not only planning, organizing foods is also very important, because आपने mind में planning कर ली but you failed to act on it. That's also not good, and that will encourage you to eat again your wrong foods. So organize your stuff. Or sometimes at home also you don't have enough of your stuff, your pulses, your rice or whatever you eat. So you need to have that in enough quantity. Just organize in advance. Now we have 10 minutes delivery apps. We can take advantage of that. You can just organize right in the morning so that during the day you don't have to even think about it. Because for busy people like us, we get so busy in our work that planning, organizing, cooking just seems so difficult. So all we have to do is to do all of these stuff right in advance. Last point is cook your meals in advance. ज़्यादा बना लो. अगर एक दिन बना के भी रेफ्रिजरेट करना पड़े तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो बासा हो गया और आप उसको नहीं खा सकते, वो अनहेल्दी हो गया. वो अनहेल्दी नहीं हुआ. आप उसको एक दिन स्टोर कर सकते हो और नेक्स्ट डे कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं. ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Because there are certain foods like saag or राजमा और छोले that takes a lot of effort to cook. So आप अगर आप एक दिन का एक्स्ट्रा बना के भी रख लेंगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो अनहेल्दी नहीं हो जाएगा और आप इजीली उसको कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं. Sometimes I do it when I'm cooking sometimes. So I make rajma for 2 days, not just for today. I make it for the next day also, because then next day I can relax. I don't have to work the next day. I know when I'll feel hungry, I'll just go and I'll just eat it. So just make your food easier. That's when you adopt habits. That's when you adopt as a regular practice.